Chopta, the mini Switzerland of India, is a serene village in Uttarakhand, known for its spiritual significance and rich biodiversity. Chopta is home to highest Shiva temple Tungnath and also the vibrant Himalayan Monal. Let me take you to a virtual tour with me to the magical land of Chopta. There are multiple ways to reach Chopta. We had opted for the road trip from Delhi. We started around 1 am in the morning and reached Chopta around 1 pm in the afternoon. After checking into the hotel, we decided to spend the rest of the day taking rest and acclimatizing properly before starting our trek. After we had finished our dinner, the leftover food was dumped at the opposite side of the hotel by the hotel staff, and we noticed two giant porcupines came at that spot to eat the food. Though I had seen porcupines multiple times, this was undoubtedly the closest and best encounter I have ever had. After a good night's sleep and a proper acclimatization, it was finally time to look for arguably the most beautiful bird of India, the Himalayan Monal.
So we have reached the base point from where we'll start our trek and we'll try for our Himalayan Monal. And right now the beauty of Chopta is simply unmatched. There is snow everywhere and the rhododendrons are blooming. It's just wow. So yeah, so I'm just mind blown. I have nothing to say. I just want to enjoy the trek and whatever birds we'll get. I'm already satisfied, to be honest.
After moving just few meters only, the landscape changed dramatically and it felt like I'm in a different world.
So we have our companion here, and this is actually black ice. It's slippery, so you have to be careful while trekking. See, this is amazing. Rhododendron and snow. The ultimate combination. Just look at the view. Wow.
The first bird we came across during our trek was a variegated laughing thrush, a high altitude resident bird and a lifer for the group.
So we found a variegated laughing thrush and we are moving forward now. We are approximately 500 meters away from the Monal point. Brati is in front of me. Amit is leading the group. So Amit is walking in front of me. Amit,
Hi.
are you enjoying?
Yes. Having a blast.
So we are at the meadow now, and this is a place where we can potentially see the Monals.
After reaching the Monal point, we didn't had to look hard. We found 5 male Monals on top of snow, a dream sighting for any birder. However, there was one problem. The Monals were extremely far, and due to thick snow, we had no option to close the gap. But my gut feeling kept telling me this is not the only time we are going to see this. We kept moving towards the Tungnath temple after our encounter with the Monal, with hopes to find the elusive snow partridges. As we kept climbing up, the landscape changed dramatically, and I was in absolute awe and forgot how tired I was and kept moving forward. And on the way, we found another beautiful bird, the alpine accenter. The bird was absolutely not afraid by us and was busy searching for food. The alpine accenters are generally found at an altitude above the tree lines.
So basically we are at the end of the tree line. It will take approximately 1.5 hours from here to reach the Tungnath temple and potentially look for the partridge. This is just amazing. I'm tired as hell, but I guess it's worth it. Just 500 meters below the temple, we found another Monal, and this one is giving us good looks. So we are hoping that it will come out on the snow, but not sure if it will actually. If it does, then it will be amazing.
After the Monal came out in the open, I decided to take a wide-angle video clip of it. It would have been an injustice to the habitat had I not recorded the wide-angle video. Every trekker had stopped to appreciate this majestic beauty. Few of the travelers were in awe and had no clue that such a beauty exists. And I was just thanking Lord Shiva for blessing us with this amazing sighting. After shooting at the wide angle, it was finally time to get close with the absolute beauty. And I felt really grateful for being able to see this beauty this close. And also, I made sure that I don't go back without my dream Monal frames. Maybe I'll see Monals many more times in my life, but this sighting will always remain close to my heart. After clicking the Monal, we started moving forward to thank Tungnath Mahadev for this amazing moment.
The last 150 meters, and this is the view. Whether you see snow partridge or not doesn't really matter. This experience is something you should try for sure.
Unfortunately, due to thick snow blocking the road, we couldn't reach the snow partridge point. Still, none of us were actually disappointed, as it gave us an excuse to come back to this heaven once again. Finally, after reaching the temple, we called it a day. Next day, early morning we left for Makku, a place where the vibrant scarlet finches are found. On the way, we found more than 100 speckled wood pigeons resting on a tree.
So on our way to Makku, we found at least 150 speckled wood pigeons right there. This is amazing.
Upon reaching the habitat, we noticed that the activity was very less and we only found some common Himalayan birds. A small niltava decided to give us close looks. We then spotted at least 5 spot-winged grosbeak in a far distant tree. The grosbeak was indeed a great sighting, and it was a lifer for the entire group. However, we had to settle for record shots only, and with that encounter, we concluded our Chopta trip. If you have enjoyed this video, I'll request you to please subscribe to the channel and support my vlogs. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.